Hello, welcome back to my channel. Are you thinking of throwing your ripe plantains away? Are you really going to do that? Before you do that, just wait and watch this recipe, then think about it again. Give it a second thought. Today I'm going to do Akrakro. If you don't know how to pronounce it, then I don't know how I'm going to teach you. But it's made up of ripe plantain, flour, ginger, onion and pepper. So just stay with me. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to peel off the skin. I've washed them, so I'll peel them. I'll peel the skin off. Okay. I've washed them, but I still have to wash them again. So this food is mostly eaten by the Ewes, and they normally eat it with bean stew or normal beans. The Ashantis call the beans gobe. I don't know if it's the Ashantis, but I'm sure it's the Ashantis. They call it gobe, and Fantis call it edua. Edua na koko. My fancy, so that's how I pronounce it, Ghanaian. But this is Kaaklo. Yes. So I'm going to wash them and blend them with the ginger, onion and pepper. To do next is to pour in my paste. See how lovely it looks. And I'm going to add flour. The flour, you have to add it bit by bit, otherwise you spoil everything. So I'm going to add the flour till I get the consistency that I'm looking for. Yes. I'll add a pinch of salt. But there's one other thing that I have to tell you. Before you add the flour, if you think your paste is too much and you need just small of it, you can set some aside even before you add the flour. Okay, so what you do is you set some of the paste aside before you add the flour. Otherwise, after adding the flour, you can't leave some or keep some in the fridge. So I've already preheated my oil. So I'm going to add a little to see, a little of my paste to see if it's ready for the oil. Okay. So the oil is ready. I'm going to add it. You can choose to use your hands, but with your hands you have to wash it. Wash your hands before starting. Someone will ask, so what if you don't have flour? What will you use? Okay, so in case you don't have flour, you can use kokonte. That's cassava flour. Okay, I think that one is different from the regular fufu flour that we have. So you have to fry it till it becomes golden brown. Then you remove it. So as you can see, I'm applying in some tissue to soak or to help me drain the oil from my akrakro. Okay, you have to eat and stay healthy. You don't have to eat food that contains more cholesterol or something. Yeah. See how beautiful my Kaaklo has become. Okay, so that's the first batch. I'm going to start with the second batch. Please, you always have to do your deep frying under medium heat, or you end up burning everything. So guys, my Kaaklo is ready, and guess what I'm going to serve it with? Beans stew. Yes, got it right. And you can add rice to it if you prefer taking it with rice. But as to how to make this bean stew, I'll leave the link below so that you can go and have a view. Okay, thank you so much for staying with me. So we meet again. Have a lovely day, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye bye.